I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your compass app on your iPhone as a level. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. So first, you're going to open your compass app by swiping down and typing in COMP. There you go, you got your compass app. Now, I like just letting everything use my location while I'm using the app, so I'm going to click allow while using app. Now, to understand the level, you're going to look right in between where it says north, west, south, and east. The two little plus signs that are overlapping, and as I kind of tilt the phone, you can see that the small plus sign and the large plus sign are not lined up, as the phone is clearly not level. Now, as you approach the center here, as you can see, I'm holding it pretty level here. Now the plus signs are leveled up. That is showing that the phone is now level. You can lay this flat on your desk, and you can see my phone is level on my desk. If I wanted to set it on my mouse, which is kind of sideways, you can kind of see here. That is what you're going to want to look at to determine whether or not something is level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.